corner lot on 1.12 acres in Buffalo Shores South, and the lake is right there. North entrance to Buffalo Shores South, view across the street. I see dogwoods and redbuds. Feels pretty private right here. Come on in and make yourself at home. A lot of updates have been applied to this house. Granite countertops, hard surface floors, stainless steel appliances. Seems like he even saw that it had had the roof replaced. City water, city gas, and septic here. If they don't have Bolt, fiber optic, high-speed internet in the house and TV, it should be easy to get. Composite decking. Low maintenance rail system. Looks to be metal. Nice covered deck. Looks like there may be access from the master and maybe from that bedroom over there. Does have a decent amount of fenced yard. And you can see the neighbor's house across the way. And there's the neighbor's house across the way. Nice high pitch over the deck, gives that open feel from the inside of the house. Gas log fireplace. The master is on this end of the house, so let's go there first. There's the door we saw from the patio, from the deck. Double vanities, good sized mirror, granite countertops, water closet. Here's the shower. If you wanted a larger shower, you could come right out to this wall. Master walk-in closet. With shelving at either end. Kitchen has lots of storage and pantry space. And just next to the kitchen is laundry with more storage. This is the garage, much bigger than we expected. They call this workshop. The size of a two-car garage with a safe room in the corner. And if you're not familiar with garage doors inside and outside, we can discuss that sometime. From here we have the next two-car garage, and out here we have the covered carport area, which could be another two-car garage. Mechanical room in the garage with gas water heater and gas heater and air conditioning. And there's the power unit for the alarm system. Lazy Susan in the corner. We've got pullouts up there. Storage area here. And lots of counter space. And to this side of the house, the guest wing. Guest bathroom with tub and shower combination. Guest bedroom with closet. And on this side of the house, second guest bedroom, lots of detail, lots of light, access to the patio, and closet as well.